Guys, daming pa challenge ni Mamita guys. Di ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Mag-video ba ako habang naghihiwa ng karne? O videohan ko yung nanay ko habang nagluluto? Or kakanta na lang ba ako?
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the abattoir.
Or sasayaw na lang ba ako? Kaloka guys. Ang hirap din pala maging content creator.